My younger son was missing his family because he had to leave home early to push his ambitions. He was sitting under a cherry tree enjoying the perfume and the air of the family camellias. On a ship in the middle of the sea, the child woke up. Only the ship itself could be seen when he turned to gaze around. As far as the eye could see, it was only water. He struck up a conversation with a few of the crew members and informed them of the incident. Nobody was able to answer his queries or allay his concerns. The following week was spent at the sea with the crew.
He had always hoped to see evidence of an old shipwreck when they went by a few islands, but there was never any. After a second week of sailing, they finally came upon an island with a ship nearby. The young man instantly began swimming in its direction after becoming highly thrilled. As soon as he arrived on the island, he began calling out to his mother and father. He suddenly woke up realizing it was just a dream. He was still under the cherry tree. The hypnotizing aroma of the cherry tree made him fall into a deep sleep.